We're at Sky Zone, and I'm gonna do different types of flips in cameraman's view and my view, first person view. All right, we're starting off with a classic backflip. Oh yeah. Now we got first person view. 2, 1. Now we got the classic front flip. Yeah. Oh. Front flip, first person view. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Now we got the hero flip. Oh yeah. Now first person view. 2, 1. Oh yeah, that was fun. Now we got the side flip. Oh, we got the first person view. 2, 1, go. Oh, now we got the 180. Oh yes! So we got the first person view. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Now we have the ground tramp backflip. Oh! Got the first person. 2, 1. Oh yeah. Now we got the wall tramp backflip. Now we got the first person view. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Follow for more.